control cost, which controls your cost. So it will first terminate and then launch. Sometimes it launches in parallel, so that will impact on your cost. So you can choose according to that. So the health percentage, next. Okay, what's wrong? One or more required field. Okay, scroll up, and the desired capacity cannot be greater than the desired capacity, minimum desired capacity. Yeah, I think minimum desired capacity it is asking. Okay, so you can give here. Basically no, it won't work, so you have to give as 1 because we have set the desired capacity as 1 above. So okay, so this one should be fine. So let's go click next. Okay, all the details are there. So we don't want to send any notification for now to SNS. I'll explain it later what it is. So tags are also optional. Click next. Okay, so these are the details what we selected. This is the kind of summary page. So click create auto scaling group. So okay, so it will take little bit of the time to create the auto scaling group. So this one is here. You can see the status is still updating capacity. Okay, so this one is the summary kind of all the details of that scaling group.